everybody, I just wanted to hop on really quickly and share some information about the super fun collab I just did with Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. So a few months ago I shared on my Instagram stories that I was starting to dabble with digital design. I'd been playing around on an app on my phone, learning how to do it just so I could make some stickers for myself, maybe some things to send to planner friends, inspired by favorite TV shows and things like that. And then I received one of the sweetest, most supportive messages ever from Megan of Grumpy Bear. And she wanted to know if I'd like to list my art in her shop. And it was the most amazing offer ever. I mean, to get that from someone as established in this community as Grumpy Bear. I mean, she's one of the first shops that I ever bought from whenever I joined the planner community years ago. So incredible does not even begin to cover it. And at first I was very hesitant because how do you know, if your art is good enough, if people are going to like your designs, if they're going to want to spend their hard-earned money on these things that you're making. But I have made it a goal this year to stop letting anxiety rule all of my decisions all of the time. So I jumped at the opportunity, and I am so glad that I did, because seeing my designs like this printed out with an official logo at the top, I mean, it's an incredible feeling. I don't know how shop owners, if they ever get over this feeling of seeing this. And just knowing that they created something, put it out into the world, and that other people, hopefully, will also enjoy it and put it into their planners. I mean, if it happens to where people buy these and put them in their planners and take a picture of them, it will probably knock my socks right off. I'm so nervous about it, but so excited, and I wanted to give a close-up of all of the designs that are available. There are 7 right now in sticker sheets like these, and also die cuts, so I wanted to just give a little close-up at all the designs. So this first design is entitled Pivot, and it is inspired by the TV show Friends. Every one of the designs has a traveler's notebook, a regular notebook, a pen, and some sort of beverage. And then for everything else, it's inspired by the TV show. So this first one, we have the Central Perk keychain and the door frame notebook. And for all the rest of the icons, I really wanted each one to attribute to a certain character. So we have Monica's Thanksgiving sunglasses, we have Phoebe's cookies, some gum for Chandler, lipstick and a credit card for Rachel, sandwich for Joey, and then of course the dinosaur for Ross. And then next up is Highlander, and this is inspired by the show Outlander. So we've got the Cranadune stones on the notebook, some lavender and herbs, the 3 sapphires, feather, quill, and ink, the dragonfly and amber, the wedding ring, and the tartan. This next one is Ravens. This is inspired by One Tree Hill. So we've got, well, I tried to do the stoplight art from Peyton's bedroom on the notebook, and then Lucas's pills, a basketball, some tickets, the bracelet that Nathan gave to Haley, an old school flip phone, and Clothes Over Bros fashion sketch. Next up, this one is called Upside Down, and it's inspired by the TV show Stranger Things. So we've got the Demogorgon on the notebook, Eleven's waffles and bloody tissue, Barb's glasses, a Dungeons & Dragons inspired dice, then the Christmas lights and a cassette tape. Next up is Bend the Knee. This one is inspired by Game of Thrones. So we've got the crown on the notebook, the hand of the kingpin or the queen, the shame bell, some Bravos coins, dragon eggs, a vial of poison or potion, some scrolls, some feathers, a dagger, and then this cute little sticky note that says R+L=J. And I am way too excited about the upcoming season, so I am really looking forward to using these to mark all the episodes in my planner. Now these next 2 designs aren't TV show inspired, they're more inspired by planners in the planner community. This one, of course, is inspired by Posh Plans. I love her aesthetic, it's very minimal and monochromatic, so I tried to keep true to that in this design, and I thought it looked great for those black and white spreads. Yeah, this one was just a fun one to do and pay a little bit of homage to someone that I really look up to in the community. And the last one we have is Cosmic Cutie, which is inspired by Carolyn Plans on Instagram. Of course, you'd probably tell that by her signature celery juice in the corner. And this one's got her little crystal heart and pouch and bookmark, which you can find really cute bookmarks, charms, and jewelry at her shop, XO Carolyn Designs. So this one was just really fun to do. I love the pastel vibes of her Instagram aesthetic. It's just so pretty. So these are the 7 designs that are listed in Grumpy Bear right now. I'll have the shop linked down in the description below so you can click on that and check it out. You can find these specific designs by searching AD Jackson 330 in the shop, and you should absolutely check out the rest of her selection as well. So much great artwork. I love her pocket kits. They come with a ton of items to work with, and I will be featuring one of those in a haul that will be uploading soon, so I hope that you'll check that out as well. And again, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has already purchased these stickers or die cuts or are planning to all of those of you who watch and support my Instagram and my YouTube. It means the world to me, so thank you so much.